To set up my student or my child to have success with doing the laundry, helping with the laundry, I'm going to make some labels just to put so they know how to sort. So we have 4 main groups in our household that we sort laundry. We sort it towels, jeans, colors, and whites. You may have it differently. You can see that I just cut up a piece of paper into 4 squares and I just drew things on there that might go in the pile. So yours might look a little different. Whites, we have shirts and socks and underwear, and then also right now during the pandemic we have our masks that go in the white pile. So on my colors you can see I put different colors just to show a little visual there. But it's good to have the text on there too and to talk about the text as you're sorting. Hello parents and friends. Today we are going to help do the laundry. Chores are always a great way to build independence for your children. Also, as we're building that independence, we can work on our conversation and our engagement. So all great things for us to be learning with a weekly household chore that we have to get done. But why not have a little fun with it and learn something too? So before I showed you how I made some labels. This is just a visual to help your child know where to put the different piles of laundry as we sort it. So we have our laundry here in a basket, and if your child is just starting out or is just needing a simple task to do, it's always a good idea to be teaching them to put their dirty laundry in the basket. The floor is not a good place for our dirty laundry. It should always go in the basket when it comes off our body. But now it's time to sort, and so we've pinned up our visual aids around the room to help us know where to put the different piles of clothes. I just got a piece of paper and some tape and hung it on the wall. Our colors are going to go here. Our jeans are going to go here. Our towels are going to go right here by the bottom of the bed. And by the door, that's where our whites are going to go. So as you're sorting the laundry, you can either hand items to your child and see if they can pick out where they go based on the visuals you've put around, or you can tell them what it is and where to put it. You can use gestures like pointing to the correct place, or you can try to just give them verbal cues. What you want to think about is, as we're building skills, we want to fade our prompts. So eventually our student can be independent to sort their clothes without their visual reminders and without anybody helping them. So here we go. Here's some colors, so I'm going to put them in the color pile. And we're just going to go through our clothes and decide, are they colors, towels, jeans, or whites? I've got a wash rag here. That's a towel. I'll put it over there in the towel pile. And we're going to keep putting our colors in the color pile. Oh, look. These are jeans. They go in the jean pile. This is real world, people. These are my actual dirty clothes. So, because like you, I don't have time to make up things. But I can incorporate my children and my family into what I have to do every week and every day, and we can have fun, we can talk about it, we can engage, and we can learn.